What's going on, mi gente? Jim Franco, no relation to James Franco. Here with a product review. Today we're going to be reviewing the walkhero comfort and support insoles or slip-ons or inserts, whatever you prefer to call them. Don't know much about the actual company that sells these, but you could get them online, different types of prices. And also, I also wanted to make this video to maybe raise a little awareness about foot care and, whenever it is that you're super active, distributing your weight within your feet, taking care of your knees, your ankles. Another reason is because, me, I actually feel like I'm getting a little bit older, so I need to take care of myself a little bit better. As you could see, the packaging, I ordered this from Amazon. This is probably about maybe the third or fourth pair that I have ordered, the walkhero comfort and support. Reason being is, I own a whole bunch of pairs of the Nike shoes. This one being one of them, which I apologize, it's a little dirty, but I was making sure that I tried on the product for a couple of weeks before I made a little review about it. And these were the actual stock insoles that my shoes came with, which as you can see, you don't really get very much support from your feet, even though Nike does make a hell of a shoe, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the product. The way the presentation is, it's actually really good. So me myself, I have a high arch. As you can see, this thing is pretty rough. It has a high arch. That way, for those people that are runners, hikers, I'm telling you, it's a fantastic product. I don't know much about the company, but I've emailed a couple of times with the gentlemen's. I guess they take care of the reviews or the product consumer people, and they're really nice people. I mean, they really care about the product that they're making, and I know that Amazon, they sell a lot of really good stuff, and this is probably one of the best stuff that I've actually encountered with, which I always like making reviews. When it comes down that I come across a product that is so good and also raising awareness to you being able to take care of your feet. Products like this, using products like this could actually help, prevent runner's knee, plantar fasciitis, plantar fasciitis, meaning, inflammation of the bottom part of your feet here. It's actually, like I said, another really good product, and it really takes a lot of stress away from your feet, and it distributes the shock and the weight. It gives you a lot of support for your hips, your knees, your ankles. It's super good, and as you can see, like I said, it's definitely it's a product that I will continue to use, and I mean, they work pretty good. So if I take it out of my shoe here, let me see, this is what it looks like after a month of use. As you could see, of course, a little wear and tear, and I weigh about maybe 200 pounds. Good looking individual. So this is new, this is old. So as you can see, they're pretty good. So I highly recommend this product. I'm gonna go ahead and put a description of it at the bottom. So you be the judge for it. It might be good for you, might not be good for you, but I think it's worth a try. Sizes start from 4 and they go all the way up. They have male and female sizes, and they do overnight shipping. I don't know if they do same-day shipping, but I think it's pretty good. And hopefully this video helped and giving you a little awareness of you guys taking care of your feet. I mean, especially as a young person, you know, you gotta take care of your feet because when you get old, it's not as easy. If you have any questions, I'm gonna go ahead and put my email at the bottom. Take care, y'all.